$0 in the bank. Here's what I do. What if I told you that you don't need a single dollar to start making money online right now? No loans, no savings, no rich uncle, just a laptop or even just a phone and about an hour a day. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 6 real online businesses ranked from easiest to hardest that people are using right now to build income from zero. Some of these you could start literally today. Stick around till the end because number 6 is the one most people overlook, and it might be the most powerful one on this list. 10 years ago, starting a business meant renting space, buying inventory, hiring people. Today, the internet flipped that on its head. The only real currency you need now is time and skill. And skill can be learned for free. Every business I'm about to show you can be started using tools that already exist, most of them free, using platforms that already have millions of buyers on them. Your job isn't to build something from scratch, it's to plug into systems that already work. Number 1 is the fastest way to make your first dollar online. Freelancing. If you can write, design, edit video, manage social media, or even just organize spreadsheets well, someone will pay you for it. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Contra connect you directly with clients who need exactly what you're good at. The beauty of freelancing is there's zero cost to start. You create a profile, list your skill, and start applying to jobs the same day. The catch? Your income is tied to your hours. You trade time for money so it doesn't scale on its own. But here's the real value. Freelancing is often the fastest way to build real-world proof that you can deliver results, which becomes the foundation for almost every other business on this list. Realistic expectation. Your first client might pay you $50 to $100 for a small project. Do that consistently, and within a few months, you could be earning a full side income. Number 2 is print on demand. This is how people sell t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and posters online without ever touching inventory. You design the artwork, upload it to a platform like Printful or Printify, connect it to a free Etsy or Shopify store, and when someone buys, the product gets printed and shipped automatically. You never hold stock, never pack a box, never lose money on unsold inventory. The skill you need here is design, but you don't need to be a professional artist. Tools like Canva and now AI image generators let you create sellable designs in minutes. The real work is in finding a niche people actually want. Think pet lovers, specific hobbies, niche humor, or trending topics rather than generic designs that blend into the noise. This business is slower to gain traction than freelancing, but once a design starts selling, it can keep generating income with almost no extra effort. Number 3 is affiliate marketing, and it's one of the most talked about online businesses for a reason. You recommend a product using a unique tracking link, and when someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates is the easiest entry point, but higher paying programs exist in software, finance, and online courses, some paying 30 to 50% per sale. Where do you share these links? Blogs, YouTube videos, Pinterest, or even a simple newsletter? The advantage is you never have to create a product, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. The company you're promoting handles all of that. The challenge is building an audience that actually trusts your recommendations. This isn't a get-rich-quick play. It usually takes a few months of consistent content before the first commissions start rolling in. But once your content is out there, it can keep earning long after you've published it. Number 4 is where things start to scale in your favor. Digital products. This means templates, ebooks, Notion planners, presets, or mini courses. Anything you create once and sell an unlimited number of times. There's no inventory, no shipping, no manufacturing cost. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy let you list a digital product for free and start selling within the hour. The starting point is simple. Think about a problem you've already solved for yourself. Maybe you built a budgeting spreadsheet or figured out a study system that actually works. Package that knowledge into something downloadable. The upside here is real. A single, well-made digital product can generate income for years with zero extra work per sale. The trade-off is that it takes more upfront effort to create something genuinely useful before you make your first sale. Number 5 is dropshipping. You set up an online store, list products from a supplier, and when a customer orders, the supplier ships it directly to them. You never touch the product. Your job is marketing and customer service, finding winning products, and driving traffic to your store, usually through short-form video ads or organic content. Technically, this can be started with $0 using a free store trial and organic marketing instead of paid ads. But realistically, most people who succeed at dropshipping eventually invest in paid advertising to scale, which is why it's ranked lower on this list for a true zero money start. It's also one of the more competitive spaces, so standing out requires either a genuinely unique product or a marketing angle nobody else is using. When it works, though, it can scale faster than almost anything else on this list. And number 6, the one I said to watch for, is Faceless Content Creation. This is exactly what you're watching right now. Channels built entirely with AI voiceovers, stock or AI-generated visuals, and zero on-camera presence. No filming, no editing your face, no need to be a public personality. Tools like InVideo AI, CapCut, and AI image generators mean one person can produce a fully polished video without ever touching a camera. You can build channels around finance, motivation, storytelling, true crime, history, almost any niche where the value is in the information or the story, not the personality delivering it. Monetization comes through ad revenue once you hit platform thresholds, plus sponsorships and affiliate links once you have an audience. It's slower to build than freelancing, but it's one of the only businesses on this list that can become fully passive. Once a video is published, it keeps earning without you touching it again. This is genuinely the most underrated option on this entire list because most people assume you need to be on camera to build a following. You don't. So which one should you actually start? If you need money fast, start with freelancing. If you want something that builds passive income over time, look at digital products or faceless content creation. If you enjoy design, print on demand is your easiest entry. There's no wrong answer here. The only mistake is picking none of them and staying stuck where you are. Here's your action step. Pick just one of these 6 and take the first tiny action today. Set up the profile, write the first product idea, script your first video, not next week, today. If this video gave you clarity, hit subscribe, because next week we're going deep on exactly how to get your first paying client with zero experience. I'll see you in the next one.